kya ObwaKyabazinga Bwa Busoga jampisa niwo bamuvuza otya ng'oli kuyibira titujja kukkiriza tulisa abanaife aba bodaboda abawerekera tuyidibye mukola mutuyambe emizaano gino gifaanana obusoga obusoga ki mpisa baba omulangira omuntu yena naakola ekyo awo abakoma enda kudina olewo ali kuvuga mbatambulira ku nti n'aba nabyo bakola era nakanti kuluno nakukyogera ku Busoga tituli kuyidda kuyibira owangulwa kale banange katubendeze omuzaano omulungi ndikwenda okwebaza ObwaKyabazinga ng'omulimu omulungi nayenda okwebaza MTN once again. Thank you and thank you very much. Kyabo tuli kujava wano lata Kyabazinga asinye mwene okwigulawo empaka dino eddomu kuzoga okubiri ng'era mwene ayina kwevugira egaali ye okubita mu kitundu kyentasobola kwogerera wano era abamawulire mwene mwene ebibasaba mubeewo omukolo guno tuguweesa ekitiibwa kyegusaanira mwebalere. We want to thank the Busoga for loving the Kyabazinga because the Kyabazinga is the brand. Every time you love your Kyabazinga, MTN will be here with you. I always tell the Busoga that there is no free lunch. If you don't love your Kyabazinga, MTN will not be here. Trust me. So we want to thank you, the Busoga. We want to thank you, the media, for the positive image that you are projecting of this kingdom. I would like to thank the Deputy Head of Partnership for maintaining. This is the toughest task anybody can ever have. It is one thing to have a brand, but commercializing that brand is a very, very difficult thing. We want to thank you so very much for your time you have invested, and the Kyabazinga has asked me to do this publicly today to thank you and your team, my ministers of youth, of education, all brothers who are organizing these races. Thank you and thank you very much. The one thing we do not accept, the kingdom is about values. So we will not accept cheating. MTN has a brand. MTN does not accept cheating. Therefore, everybody who wants to participate and is intending to cheat, do not participate. Niwe tunafuna abavuzi nga they are the slowest. The fastest among the slowest will be our best. Titukwenda bavuga ino nga muibira. Titukwenda bavuga ino nga mukola ki nga muibira. Let the best among the slowest be our Busoga best. May God be with you and may the King enjoy this race today. He's going to open it up himself, and when he's around, the rest of us are not around. Bless you.
Okay, second edition. Era nga abasinga bungi basabye third edition bwe nabeetuse n'abakyala baidabuga ku bugaali buno. Mwikirize mbakobere nti tulikutandika championship ya ifena kudo mwezi nga 18 omwezi gwene guno. Nga tulikutandika n'amasaza abiri, esaza erya Luuka n'erya Bulamoji. Bwe tunavweyo kuna kudo mwezi nga 19 nobona ko lwasanda olidde okwiraku bidda kuba n'eisaza lya Bukooli n'eisaza lya Bunole Bunanumba. Nga tumaliriza enaku z'omwezi nga 25 omwezi gwene guno bidda kuba olunaku lwa 6 twidda kuba n'eisaza lya Busiki n'erya Buna. Enaku z'omwezi nga 26 omwezi gwene guno twidda kuba ni Gabula ni Demaite Bukono. Bwe tunaavaawo twidda kujja enaku z'omwezi nga lubereberi omwezi ogwokubiri twidda kuba n'eisaza lya Kigulu n'erya Bugweri. Enaku z'omwezi nga 2 twidda kuba tufundikira empaka daife ku Masaza nga twidda kuba n'eisaza lya Butembe. Bwe tunamalirizaawo buli mwisaza tujja kulondamu omukuzi oguweire twalondanga abantu basatu buli mu category. Kyona nenze nkigumize nti buli categories 2 abavuga obugaali bumaani ga kifuba bwetwakazaako erya tipa n'abavuga obugaali buno bu mountain bike nkani bu sport. Buli kategori yetuvuga tulondamu abantu kule twalondanga basatu kuno tujalonda babiri kuba kulo omwiduzo gwatuleetera obuzibu ti abantu baife bakonagananga bafuna ebisago. So buli isaza tujalondamu abantu bana, ababiri aba mountain bike n'ababiri aba maani ga kifuba baideno ku Kingdom level ye baida okuvugira ngena kudomwezi 15 omwezi ogwokubiri omwaka gwene guno. Dituse roto baidaji basomera mane wetujja okutambula kuba abandi ba complaining omukozi ogwaire nti roto yali mu kumpavu abana abandi batukanga oboli awo ne yali angwire nga gamuwerere mu njira. Nolwekyo tujja kuba n'abavuzi 44 okuva mu chiefdom ze 19 nga buli chiefdom eviremu abavuzi bana. Twenda kukunga abantu bona bagizi obugaali yetuli kujja mu Masaza timukuuma empisa yababa Katikiro bwakobye terofuna obuzibu ni banaifa aba boda ayo mukuzi guno twenda asaba poliisi etuyambe tukolagane nayo tube nti abavuzi bavuga bonka owa boda ali kunonereza omuzano nga agwenda abe ku distance okuva ku bavuzi we bali. Ekyo tujja kitaku omulaka kubanga Katikiro bwayogera abatasabya yalagire. Olwekyo kijja making sure nti yena go tugema gali mu mbeera y'okwibira oba disqualified there and then. Basewo ni banyabo obona obubaka bwange mebale.
Muna Mungu enowenerera.
Sorry?
Also, I think it's on the side. Thank you.
It's okay now.
Yes, I come right here.
Hello.